Okay, so market has just started and it's about Nifty. Where is Nifty? Nifty 50 and Bank Nifty. It's in a markdown. So market sentiment has not changed as yet. So let's see the market sentiment now. Okay, so it's in the value area, which is in a minus. Okay. That's about 0.22. That's percentage wise. Close to 80 points, so which means the market is going to start at 35,488. That's in this range. By the way, this is Bank Nifty future and Nifty future, guys. Okay, that's 35488. 80 points, so which is in below the value area. We come back to the chart. So Bank Nifty yesterday is in the yesterday's range. Okay, fine. So Nifty is also in the yesterday's range. I'm just opening the option chain. Okay. Nifty future 3578. 3578 within the range. So there are all odds that market can rotate today. So just be careful, guys. Just be careful on the Bank Nifty and Nifty because it is in the value area that is in yesterday's initial balance range. So it has all odd. The market is still negative. The sentiment is still negative, but we need to get a good volume on the seller side. That's very important for an intraday. Okay, so that's the pre-market is closed. Okay, let's wait. So I hope I'm audible to all, correct? If I'm not wrong, I hope I'm audible to all. Okay, great. So market is opening gap up. That's from the yesterday's close. That is on Friday. And today's being a Monday. And let's see, it is about 78.6. It's opening at 35,488, the Bank Nifty future and the Bank Nifty indices. Okay. So just be careful, guys. I'm giving a heads up. Okay. If you could notice yesterday's value area, that is 1 hour. Let me give an inside information to you on this. How do I come to a conclusion on the market sentiment? The first thing when the market pre-open, okay, it closes at starts from 9, generally at 9:08 or 9:09. So by 9:10 or 9:11, we can come to know the market sentiment. Let me tell you how to understand the market sentiment. Is the sentiment is on the markdown phase or a markup that is nothing but the trend or non-trending day. Just give me a minute. So usually take 1 hour of your chart. Just go there. Uh, just go here. If you could see in this place, this is on 25th of March. I'm talking about Bank Nifty indices. So it's in the value area. So it's in the value area. This 1 hour of the candle is nothing but the initial balance. That's where we understand the market sentiment. So the market sentiment is neutral. The market has just started. Let's see 128. Let's wait for a couple of minutes. Let me refresh the page. Let me refresh the page. Okay. I'm just refreshing the page. Just give me a minute. It's taking time. Market just open. Let it settle up. For the option traders, guy, keep 35,400 PE in the list, 35,400 PE list. We will buy, the resistance was 365. We will buy above 500. The target, keep it 30. It has all odds to tag 35295, 35295. So buy it above 500, 35,400 PE. Let me charge 525. So it'll tag 35293. Okay, it has all odds to tag 35293. Okay, that's hitting the target 530. First target is done and dusted. Okay, you can also keep 35300. Keep 35300, one more, because the volumes are pretty high. It's 64,000. It has all odds to tag 35225. Okay, the Bank Nifty future is it's at the resistant. Okay, it's at the resistant. That's here. Hope you guys, you have taken the trade. The first trade was 35400 PE. 35300 PE. It's rotating. Okay, let's wait for the entry on 35300. The entry is 500, guys, and the stop loss is 440. And the first target reached at the second. Okay, it's going. It's going. 515, 510 triggered. Okay, 500 was the entry. 530 is the target. Okay, 521 trail your stop loss. It tagged. Okay, it's tagged. So put your stop loss to your first target in 35,400 PE, and the first one, the second one, 35,300 PE, which I gave the strike. Trail it to 510, 55. Keep be in the green. Okay, be in the green. And futures, if you have taken it, it has all odds to tag 35,269. That is 35,269. Okay, 35,269. 35,269. It's a rotation. Okay, it's a short selling, a short buying. Sorry. So volumes are good, very good. Okay, volumes are very good. So it tagged the Bank Nifty option. It tagged 35,225. Now it's dancing at the strike price 35,400 is dancing at 548, 550. Okay, so either you can book the profit or you can trail the stop loss. Okay, 35,300. Let me see where he reached. The 35,300 entry was at 300. Sorry, 500. Just give me a minute. 25 reached 525. 35,300. It reached 525. Okay. So still you should be in the green. It's a short buying. Let's wait. It's a 5 minutes. Okay, 5 minutes. Let's wait for one more entry. We have one more entry. The Bank Nifty future, it has all odds to tag 35,269. Okay, remember this number, 35,269. 35,269. That's this level, which is just plotted for you guys. Okay. It's a short rotation. Since it's in the initial balance range, you can expect a lot of rotation. So you need to take what market gives it. Okay. If the range, if the market opens gap up or gap down, okay. If the market opens gap up or gap down, let me show it to you in the other chart. So it's a small rotation, guys. It's a small rotation. So just give me a minute. I'm just pulling the chart. How much did this guy reach? I'm just checking the chart for one more entry. 578. Okay. It's a small rotation, so let me show it to you in the other chart. Okay, so it's going down. It's going down. Let's wait. Let's wait. Let's wait. People who are holding the first 35,400 PE strike, hold it with a strict stop loss. Okay, it has all out to go down. Okay, because there is an untouched zone on the Bank Nifty future. It's going for 35269. That is this range. 35269. Did he tag? Yeah, is about to tag 35269. It's going down. So it's going down. Okay, the second which I gave you the strike price, just hold that. That is 35,300. He reached the target, guys. It's 537. You can book the profit on this. Okay, 35,300. 35,300. That was the second which I gave it to you. Just hold on, hold on, hold on, hold on. I'm waiting for the big volume. It has to wait for the resistance. It has all odds to go down. The next you can expect to tag is 35,157. People who are holding the first entry, that is 35,400 PE, just hold it. It reached how much? 588. Entry was 588 points. We already got it. The second one also we triggered at 500. It is reached 540, I guess. Yeah, 537. So you can expect 35157. So book your partial profit at 35157 and you can trail your stop loss. Be in green, guys. Remember two mottos. Okay, save your capital for tomorrow and stay in green. Even if you make 100, 200, 10,000, people who are making one lot, trading with, since being most of you first time trading with one lot or four lots, it's up to you, but trail it, be in green. So Nifty future, Nifty, you can, people who are trading in Nifty, you can expect it to tag 17,107. 17,107 is a very good support zone. Okay. So now, as you can see, 35,157, it just touched and bounced back. Correct? Let me put it down. So it just touched my target and bounced back. Okay, this is a little critical zone. Okay, this is a critical zone. You need to be very, very careful on this part. So people who are holding the trade, be in green. Okay, trail your stop loss. 5.5, 5.10, 5.20. The one which I gave you 35,300, trail your stop loss to 5.20, 5.30. Either you can book your profit or you can trail it. Okay, I'm expecting a short pullback. So 35089. It can tag 35089 because, as I told you, Bank Nifty future is at the support zone 35190. Okay, 35190. Trail your stop loss, book your profits. Trail your stop loss, book your profits. If you already booked it, no re-entry. There is a short pullback. Okay, it's a short pullback, no re-entry. Hold on. If you're in green, just book it up. Otherwise, you can trail your stop loss. Okay. Stay on green. So I repeat, the first strike, which was given 35,400 PE, entry was 500. The high it made is 613. We already made 113 points in this strike. Okay, the second strike was given 35,300. The entry was 500. It reached 560, almost 559.62. Keep it 560. Let us round it up. Okay, 60 points. So Very good. 120. Okay. Okay. 615, 616. Trail your stop loss. Trail your stop loss. It has all out to tag 35089. Okay. The market sentiment, market sentiment. Where is my market profile chart? Where is my market profile chart? I'm just getting used to it with the Zoom link. Okay. I'm not able to toggle too quick. Just give me some time. Okay. It's below the resistance on the control point. You can expect, guys. So the high made, that is 35400. 35400 PE, it's 626. That's 126 point in the strike. And the next one it made is almost 68. Okay, 68. So now you can calculate, it's more than 150, 160 points. We already made it in what time? In what time? In hardly, the market started at 6:15. Now it's sorry, 9:15. Now it's 9:27. Okay, the pullback zone is 35089. Okay, pullback zone. Just hold on. Market sentiment is negative. Okay, just give me a minute. Okay, you can expect a small rotation, and it has a tag to go 35021 and future 35117. 35117, I repeat. Okay, so now guys, keep trailing your stop loss. 35400 PE, it reached 641. It has all odds to go more. Okay, keep trailing, almost 140 points. We got it, and then we did one more trade, 35300. That went to 83 points. Okay, so can imagine we went more than 200 points today. So very good to start off the first day. Let's get on tomorrow. We'll catch up tomorrow. Okay, it's a markdown phase. You can expect the people who are using the market profile continue using. Okay, it has all odds to tag. Future, it has all odds to tag according to market profile 35077. Okay, let me check once volume for you guys. Okay, volumes are pretty good. It's on the negative side. Okay, so this is a zone, we call it as a rotation zone, 35089 between 157. Okay, on the option side, I'm talking about option side. Okay, so we got two trade today. We made 200 points on option trading, and we got one more trade on the Bank Nifty future. Okay, so the entry was at what price? Entry was at this price, and 160, 169 was the target. So that's nothing but entry was 285, 285. Okay, 285. So we made almost 100 plus points there. So as I told you guys, Bank Nifty future, it'll tag 35117. Expect to tag, stay in green. Remember two things: save your capital for tomorrow, and let's trade for tomorrow. Again, we'll catch up. So 35021. Okay, 35021 it'll tag, and 35117 stay in green. Okay, market sentiment is down. I'll post you any good trade in the pro investor team. Okay, people who opt for the courses, I'll post any good trade coming up in pro investor group. Okay, so happy trading, happy money, stay in green, save your capital already in greens who are there, close your terminals, end your day, be happy. Okay, catch up tomorrow, guys. Bye bye.